Alright, so I ordered the Aprilaire 700 whole house humidifier from Amazon. I'll post the cost. Now this one comes with manual control. Reason for me to choose the manual control was because my existing one was a manual control, and I do have a Aprilaire 760 which is pretty old, so it was about time to change it. And the housing of the humidifier was brittle, so every time I try to open it I'm scared that it will just break into pieces. So in any case, in this video I'll try to demonstrate how to install the Aprilaire 700 series humidifier. So in the unboxing I find a wiring recommendation, and then there is owner's manual. You have the humidifier template. This is what you use to cut out the ductwork, and then you have some fittings. So the saddle valve that taps into your water supply to give water to the humidifier, the manual control, and then you have the solenoid valve that gets activated and triggers the gets activated by 24 volts AC through your furnace, and it basically starts the water. It gives the water supply to the humidifier. Right, so then here is the actual humidifier. Let me take it out of the box and I'll show you my my current humidifier that's old and brittle.